Ready to trade those stunning Portuguese views for some euros by delivering delicious meals? Let's get you signed up as an Uber Eats driver in Portugal. First, head over to the Uber Eats website or download the Uber Driver app. You will want to select the option to sign up to drive. Now, fill out the application form with your personal information, including your name, email address, phone number, and city. Make sure all the details are accurate, as they will be used for verification. Next, you'll need to upload your documents. This includes a valid Portuguese citizen card or passport, plus your NIF número de identificação de Pauno fiscal, the tax identification number. If you are not a citizen, you need to provide your residence permit. You'll also need a valid Portuguese driver's license and vehicle documents. Uber Eats in Portugal accepts both cars and scooters, so provide the registration and insurance details for whichever you plan to use. Almost there, enter your bank account details so Uber Eats can deposit your earnings. Double-check the account number to prevent any issues with payments. Uber Eats will then conduct a background check. This usually takes a few days, so be patient. Once your background check is complete and approved, you're all set. Log into the Uber Driver app, set your availability, and start accepting delivery requests now. Go out there, deliver some meals, and make some money with Uber Eats in beautiful Portugal. Don't forget to subscribe for more side hustle tips.